Final presentation presented by Ningli. Hello everyone. It is my pleasure to have my internship opportunity at Starlight ADHC. Starlight ADHC is a daycare center, provide service primarily on Cantonese. And Starlight ADHC provide really good service to their clients and has a collaborative working environment. I really appreciate my opportunity at Starlight Daycare Center, and the internship helped me to build the portable skill to meet the needs for the future job. The first thing I learned is how important engagement it is. Mr. Jeff, my preceptor, shows me how his engagement ensure the constant delivery of the high standard service to older clients. And Mr. Jeff shows me how he is enthusiastic at his position. In addition, the course of the internship helped me to improve my communication skill, especially in terms of understanding the needs of older adults. And the course of the internship helped me to identify my expertise, which is marketing. During the course of the internship, I initiate a marketing campaign by advertising with the Chinese food delivery platform named Jizo, in order to raising the branding awareness for the Starlight ADHC and expand its customer base. In addition, the course of the internship helped me to conduct better teamwork. Back to the school, I really had the difficulty to work with other team members, especially in the leadership class held by Dr. Snyder. But this class really helped me, this internship really helped me to overcome this difficulty. In addition, I'm always willing to learn more, which is giving me the edge to adopt a fast shifting working environment. In terms of the advice for future students who will have the internship, I think there's two essential parts. First, having a good preceptor like me is really lucky to have the Mr. Jeff to give me guidance and mentor, and working for a company which is have a collaborative working environment. Both those two parts is very essential to ensure you can learn stuff, and you need to truly engage anything like related to your position. Then you will discover you will learn more than your school. Thank you very much.